If you lived through it like I did, you'll never forget it. Today is the 30th anniversary of the legendary blizzard of 1996. It's one of the heaviest snow days we've ever had here in Richmond, with a foot of snow being measured at the airport.
And what's even more amazing, we really could have been considered lucky. Our northern neighbors got anywhere from 15 to 25 inches of snow, with Baltimore getting 22.5 inches and 24.5 stacking up at Dulles Airport in Northern Virginia. And I was in Roanoke, where we got about 2 feet. I remember that.
I remember too. I was at the University of Richmond. I mean, we were okay with it because we didn't have class.
Yeah. Well, you know, Zach, already being in the business, we got that much snow. You know, we just had the folks had the 4-wheel drives from work. We just picked each other up and trekked on in.
They can be fun. Obviously, very dangerous as well. I think over 150 people died from that blizzard. I was an undergrad at University of Georgia at the time. It didn't affect us down there as much, but in '93, that's the one that I really remember, the superstorm that produced similar snowfall totals, massive storms.